From EQUEEN, your metal detector. What we're going to do is show you how the unit can be set up and demonstrate how to use it. From the company EQUEEN metal detector. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside, and briefly demonstrate what it's about. Parks, beaches, anywhere that you need to look for copper, gold, metal, coins, and more. You're given two 9-volt batteries and an instruction guide. You have a handle that comes out, the poles made of plastic and metal, a shovel in a military style pouch with the handle and the shovel that puts together and screws together. The armband bracket, some hardware, a set of headphones, the bottom metal detector IP rated, the main controller, and a metal detector special bag metal detector. We have some assembly. We need to loosen up the ends, slide the pole in, and snap into place. Tighten down. Then we need to grab the metal detector, align up with the bolt, loosen, slide through the hole, and lock down. A close-up look and locking down. They're all plastic, so they're IP rated in the water. It has little teeth that will lock into place as you lock down. With the other handle, this is loose. Press the button in, lock into place. With the armrest, remove the bolt, separate, lock into the hole, and lock the bolt through. With the two doors open up each side, place in each of the 9-volt batteries and secure down each of the sides. With the bolts, slide to the bottom, face the controller to the ceiling, to the bottom hole, bottom bolt, lock down. Put the top bolt to the top hole and lock down. With the cable unwrapped, the DIN cable plugged into the bottom of the unit over here, snap into place by a simple push up. You may wrap the unit around like so and relocking into place. With the headsets plugged into the headset port and the controller turning on, setting up, you're ready to go metal detecting. This is your on and off, your display, your sensor, your depth, and the areas of interest, what you want to control, your battery and your volume. This is your setting button to control the depth, up and down. This is your pinpoint and your headset. We're here on bronze, and we're changing over to the different ones we want. It's IP rated that this could go in the water and not the controller. And you have the armrest that you simply grab and do your waving back and forth. If you find any items, you have a shovel to pick and dig out. You have the option for the headsets, so you can listen closer. Everything fits into a nice carrying bag, a backpack bag. Easy to take apart. With adjustable straps, do some metal detecting. If you're looking for the EQUEEN metal detector, we're going to demonstrate at the beach what it looks like. The metal detector carrying bag, it's a backpack. Everything fits inside the backpack. Remove and set up with the optional headsets. Turn on and ready to look. If you find something, you can mark the area. And I found myself a rock. You'll find different types of rocks, coins, and more. If you choose to listen to the beeps when it's nice and quiet, and if you find something, you go in the water, it's IP rated. You hit the center button, and there is something over there. This is a demonstration of the metal detector by EQUEEN. You're looking to find treasures by EQUEEN. We have a metal detector, easy to assemble, disassemble, take with you anywhere imaginable, to the beach and by the park. You're with a shovel that you can put everything into a bag, and if you need to dig up, you may do so as well and operate it. You have a spot you want to mark and find your treasures with the EQUEEN metal detector.